Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So today, I know you guys are tired of my market vlogs. Basically, this is all I do for now as a business owner. So I go to the market like almost every time. So tomorrow I have an order and I have to go to the market to get some things. So come with us. Come with my assistant while we go get something at the market. For tomorrow's order.
Hi guys, welcome to Susan Henshaw's place. With us to the market. Bye. On our way to the market.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's go.
Hi guys, the keke we entered. Before I was finished, now I have to walk.
I'm not okay. I think he has refilled. Let's go. Moving.
Now I'm moving. Now we're in the market.
Let's go.
Now you want to go and buy what you want to use.
Face me. Yeah, let's go.
Hi everyone, now we're at the market. Now we want to buy the ingredients we want to use to make so many keke.
That's so many words.
It has so many keke.
Not everybody know what keke means though. What does keke mean?
I don't know. This is just my first time.
This is your first time. Just go straight. can't hear me, but we came out to take ice cream.
Ice cream. Back from the market, we got eggs, 1 crate of eggs, we got foil tray, we got baking, we got baking paper, we got clean film, we got milk powder, we got chocolates. We got 2 chocolates. We got vanilla flavor. We got ginger garlic powder. Just went to deliver some banana bread, chicken and pancakes to somebody. Now we are on our way back home. Hi guys, I'm going to go and deliver. Now I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. We want to deliver banana bread, puff and chicken. Bye.
What are you holding?
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Bye.